Connect My Folks is a simple, free app for an iPad. It was designed specifically for people who can't or won't use email or computers, but that want to be included in the photos, messages, and news that family and friends share. Connect My Folks lets you send email, texts, photos, and links to videos from your phone, tablet, or computer to a Connect My Folks account. And then your mom, dad, grandparent, anyone really, reads and can respond. It's easy for you and it's easy for them.
I don't have to worry about what's coming in. It's just my family, and I can talk back to them. And it just encloses the family, draws them closer together. Does for me.
I like seeing the family be involved and getting things to her. And that has been the most joyful thing for me, is to see Mom's response, to be involved in their lives more. I think this has drawn the rest of the family out to reach out to her in new ways.
I have been using Connect My Folks. I find it real easy to get in touch with my kids. They write back quickly, and I hear from them. It makes it nice. There's no scams, no nothing to worry about. It's all taken care of for me.
This has changed Mom's life in ways that I don't even know that she's aware of.
Free texts, email, photos, and videos delivered to the ones you love, safely and easily. That's Connect My Folks. Plug in and smile.